This is so stupid. What are we doing? We can't hide in here forever.
What do you expect we do? We have the whole school blocked off by zombies.
I'm not going anywhere.
We need to fight back. It's our only way out of here.
They're slow. We can just run past most of them. Yeah.
And their body parts are falling off.
Yeah, I guess we can do that.
Do we really have to fight these zombies?
How hard could it really be?
Let's go save the school.
That was kind of lame.
Sorry.
I had to take a shower later. Emma, are you coming with us? We're getting out of here.
Are you girls lost?
No, we're good.
What do we do?
No one leaves.